Okay. For 113, 8-113, we need to solve the proportion in at least two different ways, and we need to show our work. So the most popular way I noticed you guys using was the cross multiplication. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that method first. Okay, cross multiplication equals 5 over x. We just kind of multiply diagonally. Okay, so the first side is going to be 22x equals 5 times 7, which is 35. Okay, and to solve for x, we just divide by 25. I'm sorry, 22. And we get x equals 35 over 22. And I know that simplifies to one whole, and there's going to be 13 left over out of 22. Okay. So that's the first method. It's different colors. So the second method is going to be, I guess we could use the undoing division. Okay, so let me just reset it up. Okay, so I really want to undo the divided by x, right? Because remember, this fraction just means 5 divided by x. To undo that, I'm going to multiply by x. Okay, so I have 22/7 x equals 5. And to solve for this, I just multiply by the reciprocal of 22/7. Okay, that means x equals 35 over 22, and just like before up here, we're gonna know it's 1 and 13/22. Okay, some of you might be interested in the third method. I'll go ahead and just do a third method in case you were wondering. So another method we could use is to use the giant one. This might be a little more complicated for this specific problem, but it still is going to work. Okay. Okay, so we need to think to ourselves, okay, 22 times what equals 5? 22 times what equals 5? And I know that 22 times, well, if you think of this backwards, right, this is really just saying 5 divided by what is 22. And so I know 22 times 5 over 20 seconds. Okay, because I know that if I multiply this out, the 22 times 5 over 25 will just cancel out the factors of 22. Okay, so I know my numerator is 5/22, so my denominator needs to be 5/22. That's my giant one. Okay, so 22 times 5/22 is 5. Okay, and then really the denominator is what we're looking at. 7 times 5 is 35. 20 seconds equals x, and just like before, that's going to equal 1 and 13/22.